At Ralliant, our precision technologies create the confidence to break through every day. Innovation begins with measurement. We create test and measurement solutions that accelerate technical advancements around the globe. Our instruments push the boundaries of possibility in power and communication electronics. For over 75 years, our brands have designed and manufactured industry-best solutions spanning hardware, software, and services. We deliver accurate, reliable solutions that help the world's leading tech companies stay ahead of rapid technology cycles. Our teams, united by our business system and guiding principles, drive progress and empower engineers and innovators around the world. We don't just measure performance, we enable the future. We are Ralliant, and we are built for precision.